Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to stake Pyth Network tokens. It's pretty easy to get this done. Make sure you have a Phantom wallet enabled or downloaded. Once you've opened up your Phantom wallet, make sure you have some crypto on the Phantom wallet. That's the crypto I'm talking about is the Solana. Make sure you have some Solana. If you do not, click on the Solana token and simply scroll down till you find the deposit option. Once you select the deposit, make sure you send some Solana over to your wallet. If you do not have Solana, click on the buy option and select Solana. Enter an amount of Solana you wish to buy, click on next, and simply pay with your card on MoonPay. So guys, once you've been able to get yourself some Solana, our next option is to head over to the swap section. We're going to be swapping because we do not have the Pyth token. That's the PYTH. That's the Pyth token. If you do not have the Pyth token, click on this swap option. That's swap options. Click on the plus icon and simply search for PYTH, Pyth Network. And then we're going to be swapping some of our Solana into the Pyth. So let's say 0.2. That's giving us $17 worth of Pyth tokens. Click on review order and simply click on swap. And the swap is done. It's been confirmed. Simply click on close. And now if you check your recent activities, you would find that you swapped some of your Solana into the Pyth. Now, if you head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and use your browser to paste the link in the description of the video, we're going to be staking our Pyth tokens. That's staking.pyth.network. And now all you need to do is simply click on select wallet. That's the select wallet option and select Phantom. By doing this, we get to connect our Phantom wallet to the Pyth network. So guys, your next step is now to simply click on the amount of Pyth you wish to stake. I'm going to be staking all of my Pyth and click on stake. By doing this, I have successfully entered for a potential airdrop. So click on confirm. As it stated that most of the Pyth stakers would receive an airdrop once the stake has been completed. As you can see, I've currently staked some of my Pyth on the Pyth network. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can stake our Pyth tokens, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.